see like this Mercedes here. No blinker, no care about whether we're here or not. Join me today on a journey from the west side of the Pearl River Delta across the SHENZHONG Link down onto the east side of the Pearl River Delta in downtown Shenzhen. We'll be driving from Zhuhai through Zhongshan and then down into Shenzhen, and I'll show you what it's like driving here in southern China. We are now in the old Gongbei neighborhood in southern Zhuhai, making our way out of the city center. Some days it feels like it's everyone's first day driving. Speed limit here 70. That black Mercedes is maybe going 35 for no good reason. He just is slow. Here. Let's see. And so as it gets closer to the green light, people will know when to be prepared and start. If you have the volume up on your navigation, it even says prepare to go. Side of the car, we have the lovely Zhongshan city passing by. This is an industrial area of Zhongshan. It's growing just like many other places here in Guangdong. Here in the Pearl River Delta, you'll see these cars like this van ahead of us with the two license plates. The yellow plate is a Hong Kong plate, and then the black one is a Guangdong province license plate. Sometimes you'll see 3 plate cars around Zhuhai. They have Macau plate, Hong Kong plate, and then a Guangdong plate. Here we are pulling into the rest area. Small cars on the right, big trucks and buses on the left. We'll do our quick pit stop. What do they have here? KFC, a coffee shop, a little service center for maintenance needs, electric charging. Looks like a decent little rest stop. All right. Pretty crowded in there, so I can't show you what the toilets were like, but not a bad rest stop. Decently clean. You have KFC, coffee shop. Inside there's some restaurants and such. Back over there, the electric charging. And then all the way down here is where you can get gas and diesel. And we're gonna head back up on the main road and keep going to Shenzhen. Really cool thing about this bridge, we're still out in the middle of the channel and we're about to enter a tunnel. So the Pearl River Delta, you have Shenzhen, Guangzhou, Dongguan, Zhongshan, Zhuhai, one of the most productive shipping ports areas in the whole world. And so they have to leave the shipping channels open. And that's why this road now, we're going off the bridge onto a man-made island and then down under the water into this tunnel so the ships can still pass by overhead. And here we are emerging out of that tunnel onto the Shenzhen side. So we've made it to Shenzhen. Still got a ways to go to our hotel. Bring you along for that. Here's the toll booth. We have our electronic toll card, so we can use the fast lane here. Pretty standard toll booth. There we are. 95 RMB on the toll roads from Zhuhai here to Shenzhen. I'll give you a translation there. And we're going to keep making our way here. Nanhai Boulevard. That's us. As we get into denser Shenzhen, you'll see the traffic picked up. It is 3:40 on a Monday afternoon, so not quite rush hour, but it's getting busy. Give you an idea what it's driving like in the traffic, how courteous people are or how courteous they're not. Let's see if I can read here. Pretty similar to big city driving at home, but if you don't know, Shenzhen has a population of over 20 million. And so it definitely gets crowded. Driving definitely gets hectic here, but overall it's not bad. See like this Mercedes here, no blinker, no care about whether we're here or not. He just barges in. Again, no blinker. There he goes. Good job, buddy. Not an uncommon sight, these little electric three-wheeled cargo things. On the left there, that little urban delivery vehicle. You'll see that van, no yielding to oncoming traffic, he just goes. Urban driving is a little more frustrating than on the nice toll roads, just because not everybody, but some people are very inconsiderate. You have these electric scooters that I don't think they're permitted to be on the main roads, and they kind of do what they want. It's a little annoying. A lot of weird U-turns that we don't have in the US. You'll be in the left lane, traffic comes to a standstill, and you look up and you realize you're in a U-turn lane. So that takes some getting used to. See on the stoplight up there on the right, gives you the countdown for the red light, so you know when it's over. Makes it very convenient. We are just about here. We'll pull into the parking garage. Thank you if you made it this far in the video for joining me on our trip from Zhuhai into Shenzhen to see what driving in China is like. Pretty soon I'll be going on another road trip with my wife and her parents along the southern coast here to a city called Xiamen. So if you're interested in more, let me know. Thank you.